Dear friends, a famous chess grandmaster was known for never losing. So one day at a public exhibition, he announced a strange challenge. He said, I will play a full match against my own recorded strategies. Now, using advanced AI simulation, he created a version of himself on the board. One side played his usual aggressive style, the other followed his defensive instincts. The crowd watched in fascination. At first, it looked balanced. Move after move, both sides predicted each other perfectly. But then something unexpected happened. The aggressive him started making risky moves. The defensive him countered every attack flawlessly, and slowly the aggressive side began to collapse. After the match, the grandmaster sat quietly. Then he said something surprising. The hardest opponent is not someone stronger than you. It is part of you that overestimates itself. The room fell silent because he had just proven something deeper. Sometimes the real battle is not against others, but it is within ourselves. My dear friends, in today's first reading from the prophet Isaiah, we hear about a powerful ruler who becomes proud. He believes his strength and success come only from himself. But God reminds us no one becomes great without accountability to the one who gives strength. Now, pride always forgets its source, and when pride grows unchecked, it eventually collapses under its own weight. Now, in today's gospel passage, we see that Jesus praises the Father for revealing the truth not to the proud or the self sufficient, but to the humble. He says, You have hidden these things from the wise and learned and revealed them to the little ones. Because understanding God is not about intelligence alone, it is about openness. The proud rely only on themselves, but the humble receive everything as a gift. My dear friends, the chess master didn't lose to another player. He lost to the version of himself he couldn't control. So today, ask yourself, is your biggest battle with the world or is it with your own pride? Because in the end, the greatest victory is not being better than others, it is being humble before God. So don't forget to subscribe for more interesting gospel stories.